what's up, guys? We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Addicts, and today we're back with another video. Alright, so today, we're not playing anything. Today, I can't make montages because my laptop broke. No, actually, it did not. Yeah, it broke. My laptop broke, and yeah, my laptop broke. But so I can make montages, but my dad said that I'm getting a new one. I'm getting a Apple MacBook Pro, so I can finally do some montages for you guys. So yeah, so I can't actually make like a Fortnite video right now because I'm getting my Nintendo Switch tomorrow. And guys, I was trying to record my gameplay on the PS5 since I have one. So I was trying to record
I'm coming.
So I went on my PS5, and then after that I can record my gameplay so I can record Fortnite on this channel. I did, but it said that something was wrong, saying that I can't do it because of the network, because my internet. Bro, it was guys, if you live in New York, bro, like I live in New York, bro, look at all this rain, bro. Like there's so much rain on my Wi-Fi, bro. So like if you live in New York, I'm sorry, bro, like yo, bro. So I can't make a Fortnite video today, but I can finally do a Fortnite video tomorrow if I'm getting my Nintendo Switch. I might get my Nintendo Switch tomorrow. So yeah, so those are the updates right now.
And
but just because I can't upload videos.
Okay,
shush! Just because I can't upload Fortnite videos doesn't mean I can't do live videos. Like guys, since I don't have a Nintendo, I'm gonna start doing live videos, like real life live videos. IRL videos. Real life videos. So yeah, so those are the updates. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. This is chapter 1. So chapter 2 is coming up. I'll give you the updates. And before you leave, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications on so you get notified when you upload a video. And your boy got a new cut. And yeah, I love y'all. Peace. I'll do some real life videos too.